In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a document management system in Notion. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. Click Login at the top right. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to enter your workspace. Any sign-in method works. The goal is simply to get into Notion. Once you're in, create a fresh space for your library. Click Add a page in the sidebar and give it a clear name like Document Management. Naming it up front makes it easy to find later and keeps your workspace tidy. On the blank page, press the / key and type Database. Pick a table database so you can track documents in rows with properties and columns. This table will become the hub of your documents. Start by renaming the first column. Click the title heading and change it to Document. In the rows beneath, enter the names of your files. Things like employee contract, project proposal, or NDA agreement. This column is your primary identifier, so keep names specific and searchable. Next, move to the column to the right and rename it to category. Use this to group documents by area such as HR, project, or legal. Consistent categories make filtering and searching much faster later on, so stick to a small, well-defined list. Now add a place to store the actual files. Click Add Property, then choose Files and Media. This property lets you attach PDFs, images, or other file types directly to each record, keeping everything together in one row. For each document, click into the Files and Media field and upload the corresponding file. You can drag and drop from your desktop or choose Upload to browse. Match each file to its document name so nothing gets misplaced. If a file has an updated version, attach it to the same row to keep a clean history. If you want more detail in your database, repeat that process to add additional properties. You might include things like owner, status, department, or renewal date, whatever helps you track and sort your library. The key is to keep properties concise and useful so the table stays easy to scan. That's it. You've logged in, created a dedicated page, built a database, named your documents, organized them by category, added a file attachment field, and uploaded your files. Everything you need for a simple, effective document management system in Notion.